Are you an instructor for automotive technology, preparing your students for the ASE L4 certification? Do you want them to understand advanced driver assistance systems, hands-on, completely, and without compromise? Then you already know the challenge. Modern ADAS systems are deeply integrated into today's vehicles, hidden, complex, and nearly impossible to access in a classroom environment. Many functions only activate while driving at real-world speeds. You'd need multiple fully equipped vehicles just to run one complete training cycle. And even then, limited access, high risk of damage, and no repeatability for larger groups. That's exactly where the LN training systems come in. With the Unitrain platform, you give your students full control over real ADAS systems, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping, LIDAR, rear-view camera, and more. Everything is mapped one-to-one to the ASE L4 certification requirements. No guesswork, no abstraction, just pure, focused training. Students see what happens inside the system. They learn to diagnose, calibrate, and troubleshoot like they would in the real world, but in a safe, scalable, and mobile environment. No risk of damaging components, no need for a running vehicle, and best of all, the system is always ready, anytime, anywhere. As an instructor, you stay in control, and your students build practical, future-ready skills that make them confident and employable. ADAS is the future of automotive safety. With us, your students don't just study it, they master it. If you want to learn more about our ASE L4 solution, just write to sales@lucas-nuelle.com. Do you have limited space in your workshop, but many students who need training? Then move the workshop into the classroom, including lots of practical exercises. Prepare your students for the real world with ADAS training systems from LN.